Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss about associative property of rational number. Right? Let us discuss about associative property of rational number. That is associative. We discuss about associative property of rational number. Associative property of rational number. Associative. Associative property associative property of rational number of rational number. Associative property of rational number. Today we discuss about associative property of rational number. For example, addition of first one is we deal with addition. Number one is we'll deal with addition. Addition. Associative property in case of addition of rational numbers. Right. Addition of rational number is associative. Addition of rational number. Addition of rational number. Addition of rational number. Addition of rational number. Addition of rational number is associative. Is associative. Addition of rational number is associative. If A by B, if A by B C by D and E by F and E by F are any three rational number are any three rational number three rational numbers three rational numbers then we can write A by B plus in first bracket C by D plus E by F is equal to in bracket A by B plus C by D plus E by F. This is the associative property of rational number. Let us take one example. So the example is For rational number, let us take example. This is the example we have taken. Let us take one example. Let us take a rational number a by b, that is 2 by 9, 2 by 9 plus another rational number, that is 4 by 9 plus 1 by 9. Then if we add, you will get 2 by 9 plus, this is 9, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 by 9, that is equal to, again, is equal to 9, 5 plus 2 is 7, that is equal to 7 by 9. Now if we write in this order, that is 2 by 9 plus 4 by 9 in bracket plus 4 by 9 in bracket plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9. And what we are getting, you see here, that is 2 plus 4 is 6, that is 6 by 9. Here you will get 6 by 9, 6 by 9 plus 1 by 9. Then you are getting 6 plus 1 is 7 by 9, 7 by 9. Right? Therefore, we can write that 2 by 9 plus in bracket 4 by 9 plus 1 by 9 is equal to 2 by 9 plus 4 by 9, 2 by 9 plus 4 by 9 plus 1 by 9. Right? Therefore, you can say that associative property is true for addition of rational numbers. Therefore, you can say that associative property, associative 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 property associative property associative property of rational number of associative property of rational number associative property of rational numbers associative property of rational number associative property of rational number, or you can say that associative property is true, or you can say in this way that associative property is true for addition of rational numbers. You can say in this way also. Let us write that associative property is true. Associative property is true. Associative property is true for addition of rational number. For addition of rational number. For addition of rational number. Addition of rational number. In the end, what we get, that addition of rational number is associative, or you can say that associative property is true for addition of rational numbers. Now we'll solve about what is about subtraction. Let us take associative property of rational number for subtraction. Let's take this one. It is associative property of rational number. Associative 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 property associative property associative property of rational number property of rational number associative property of rational number associative property of rational number. So in case of subtraction, what you get, you see, if I take it as subtraction, let us take the subtraction. Subtraction, right? In subtraction, you can say that subtraction of rational number is not associative. Subtraction of rational number, subtraction 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 of rational number rational number subtraction of rational number subtraction of rational number is not associative, is not associative. Subtraction of rational number is not associative. That means we can say that if we take a by b, if a by b, c by d, and e by f are three rational numbers, three rational numbers rational numbers, then a by b, then a by b minus c by d, c by d minus e by f, e by f is not equal to a by b minus c by d, a by b minus c by d minus e by f, a by b minus c by d minus e by f. Let us take one example. We are taking here an example of three rational numbers. Let us take 2 by 9 minus 2 by 9 minus 4 by 9 minus 1 by 9. It will come to, you see, it is 2 by 9 minus 4 minus 1, that is 4 minus 1, that is 3 by 9 minus 3 by 9. Or you can say denominator is 9 and 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. It is minus 1 by 9. If we write in this way, that is 2 by 9 minus 4 by 9 minus 1 by 9, and what you get, you see that it is 2 minus The denominator is 9, and 2 minus 4, it is minus 2, minus 1 by 9, and here you get the denominator is 9, and minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 by 9, that you are getting minus 1 by 3. You are getting minus 1 by 3. Therefore, we can say that 2 by 9 minus in bracket 4 by 9, 4 by 9 minus 1 by 9 is not equal to in bracket 2 by 9 minus 4 by 9 minus 1 by 9. You see the value is different. Value of this is 1 minus 1 by 9, and value of this one is minus 1 by 3. Both the values are different, therefore these are not equal to one another. Therefore we can say that associative property is not true for subtraction of rational numbers. Therefore we can say that associative property associative property associative property associative property associative property is not true is not associative property is not true for subtraction of rational numbers. Associative property is not true for subtraction of rational numbers. For subtraction of rational numbers. For subtraction of rational numbers. Right? That means in the end what you get, that associative property is not true for subtraction of rational numbers. That means a by b minus in bracket c by d minus e by f is not equal to a by b minus c by d in bracket minus e by f. Right? That means we found that associative property is not true for subtraction of rational numbers. Now we'll deal with multiplication. Associative property of rational numbers in case of multiplication. Let us find associative property associative property associative 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 property of rational numbers. Associative property associative property associative property of rational number of rational numbers. Now we'll deal with in case of multiplication. That is 3 is multiplication. 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 In case of multiplication. Multiplication of rational number is associative. Multiplication. 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 Multiplication of rational number. Multiplication of rational numbers. Multiplication of rational numbers is multiplication of rational numbers is associative. Multiplication of rational numbers is associative. If if a by b, a by b, c by d, a by b, c by d, and e by f and e by f are any any three rational numbers, any three rational numbers, rational numbers, rational numbers, then you can write a by b into in bracket c by d into e by f into e by f is equal to a by b into c by d into e by f. E by f. Right? Now let us take one example. Let us take one example. Let us take the example. Suppose we are multiplying with three rational numbers, that is 2 by 9 into 4 by 9 into 1 by 9 into 1 by 9. Right? We multiply, we will get, that is 2 by 9 into 4 and 4 and 9 and 81. If we multiply this one, it will be 4 to the 8 and 9 and 9, 8 and 72, 729. Right? Now if we multiply this way, that in bracket it is 2 by 9 into 4 by 9 into 1 by 9 into 1 by 9. If we multiply this one, 4 to the 8 plus 9 and 9 is 81 into 1 by 9, 1 by 9, then we are getting 8 by 729, which is equal to same as this, right? Therefore we can say that 2 by 9 into 4 by 9, 4 by 9 into 1 by 9 into 1 by 9 is equal to in bracket 2 by 9 into 4 by 9 into 1 by 9 into 1 by 9. Therefore, we can say that associative property is true for multiplication of rational numbers. Therefore, we can say that associative property, associative associative property associative property associative property associative property is true is true is true for multiplication of rational numbers, for multiplication for multiplication for multiplication for multiplication of rational numbers. Associative property is true for multiplication of rational numbers. That is, associative property is true for multiplication of rational numbers, right? We found that the multiplication of rational number is associative. Now we'll find in case of division. Let's find what happens in case of division. Next, we'll discuss the property of associative property of rational numbers in case of division. Let us find associative property of rational numbers. Associative, 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 associative property, associative property, associative property of rational number, of rational numbers, associative property of rational number, of rational numbers. Let us find in case of division. Division. In case of division, division of rational number is not associative. Division of rational numbers, division of rational number, division of rational number, division of rational number, division of rational number is not associative, is not associative, is not associative. Division of rational number is not associative. Division of rational number is not associative. Right? Let us take if A by B, C by D, and E by F, E by F, A by B, C by D, and E by F are any three rational number, three are any three rational numbers, are any three rational numbers, rational numbers, are any three rational numbers, A by B, C by D, and E by F are any three rational numbers, then A by B divided by C by D divided by E by F is not equal to A by B divided by C by D divided by E by F. divided by E by F. Let us take one example. If we take this example, what we find, you see here. Let us take one example, that is 2 by 9, 2 by 9 divided by 4 by 9 by 9 divided by 1 by 9 divided by 1 by 9. What you are getting, you see here, is 2 by 9 divided by, it is 4 by 9, 4 by 9 into 9 by 1, and you are getting this 9 will cut, that is 4. Then you are getting that 2 by 9 divided by 4 by 1, 4 by 1, right? That is, we are getting 2 by 9 into 1 by 4, 1 by 4. If we cut this one, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, then we are getting 1 by 9 2 is 18. We are getting 1 by 18, right? Now, if we take this one, that's 2 by 9 divided by 4 by 9 divided by 1 by 9, what we are getting, you see here, that is, we are getting 2 by 9, 2 by 9 into 9 by 4, 9 by 4 divided by 1 by 9. That means you are getting this 9 and this 9 will cut, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. That is 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 9. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 9 by 1. That we are getting that 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 9, or 1 by 2 into 9 by 1, right? That is, we are getting 9 by 2, 9 by 2, right? We are getting 9 by 2. Again, you see here, we are getting 2 by 9 divided by 4 by 9 divided by 1 by 9. That is 2 by 9 into 9 by 4. This 9 and cut, 2 2 to the 4, 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 9, or 1 by 2 into 9 by 1 by 2 into 9 by 1, that is 9 by 2. Therefore, this is not equal. Therefore, you can say that 2 by 9 divided by 4 by 9, 4 by 9 divided by 1 by 9 is not equal to 2 by 9 divided by 4 by 9 divided by 1 by 9 divided by 1 by 9, right? Not equal. Therefore, we can say that associative property is not true for division of rational numbers. Therefore, we can say that associative property, associative associative property associative property is not true. Associative property is not true. Associative property is not true. Associative property is not true for division of rational numbers. For division, for division, for division of rational numbers. For division of rational number. For division of rational number. What we get that a by b divided by in bracket c by d divided by e by f is not equal to a by b divided by c by d in bracket divided by e by f. That therefore you can say that division of rational number is not associative. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.